let's get into the experiment. Now we're going to be pour all of this inside of that. Now it may cause a good fun to see. You can do it with your kids, your uncle, aunts. You can do it with anything, you know. Peace out. Pray for me. Big speed. Let's go. You ready? 3, 2, 1. It didn't work. 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 Yo. Oh! What the f is going on? What the fuck? It's not doing. Is it working? Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my fucking god! It's not doing it. Wait, yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.